Welcome to today's update. In this video, we are going to be looking at meme coin sector. When is the right time to accumulate your favorite meme token, and also what is currently going on within the meme coin sector. Because right now, if you take a look at meme coin market cap, we are currently down more than 80% here since the peak of 2024. So we are going to be looking at a lot of data here, and by the end of this video, you are going to know when is the best time to accumulate your favorite meme token, and also the best meme token that you can accumulate for a proper 10 to 100x here in the next bull market. So make sure you watch this video to the end. First of all, looking at market cap of meme coin, we are currently down more than 80% here. Like I said on the intro, since the peak of 2024, we were sitting at $137 billion. But if you take a look at the current market condition now, where we currently are, we are sitting at approximately $35 billion here, and we are just having $4 billion volume in the past 24 hours. This is more than 80% drawdown from the market cap. So the question now is this the right time to accumulate your favorite meme coin? Well, to give you a quick answer right now, I will tell you that no, this is not absolutely the best time. This is the worst time for you to invest in a meme coin token, because we are in a bear market, and also BTC is still sitting below the 50 weekly moving average. You can only enter any altcoin trade or buy any meme coin token whenever BTC is sitting above the 50 weekly moving average. If you take a look at it here, during September 2024, you will see this was when we saw a little bit of mainstream from meme coins, like Dogecoin right here got a little bit of rally at this level. Here, yeah, a little bit of rally at this level back in 2024, went as high as 379%. Now, if you take a look at BTC price chart, we were sitting above the 50 weekly moving average. So this is the major trick here on the entire crypto market. We did it back here in 2023, 2024, and also if you take a look at 2021 bull market, where we saw a lot of mainstream from meme coin, you see that BTC was currently sitting above the 50 weekly moving average. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying you shouldn't buy any meme coin token right now, because we are sitting below the 50 weekly moving average, and also we are in a bear market. Now, the best meme token that you can accumulate once BTC flip above the 50 weekly moving average, you can accumulate Dogecoin. I'm not a financial advisor, but Dogecoin is the mother of all meme coin, is the biggest in all meme coin sector in terms of market cap. Now, if you take a look at the price chart right here, you can see we are currently sitting a little bit slightly above the lows of 2022 bear market, and this is a little bit of strength, because if you take a look at other meme coins, they are currently way below their 2022 bear market low. And right now, as long as Dogecoin keeps holding firmly above this level right here, we might have a chance of having a proper rally from this level down to this first resistance here, the 14-cent level, and from there, if you can able to break above 14 cents and hold firmly above it, the only major resistance I'm seeing at this level is sitting at this level of 22 cents to this major level here, 30 cents on the weekly time frame, and a break above 13 cents and sits above it. This is going to take Dogecoin back to the all-time high of 2024, sitting at the 46-cent level, and a hold and a break above 46 cents. This is going to take us back to the 73-cent all-time high we saw back in 2021. So looking at the entire price chart of Dogecoin, we are looking a little bit solid compared to other meme coin here in the entire crypto market. So Dogecoin is one of the best meme token that you can accumulate. Why? It is the first meme token, and it has the biggest market share when it comes to the meme coin sector, and Dogecoin also is globally well recognized, and it has one of the biggest community in the entire meme coin sector. Now, the second meme coin that you can accumulate as well when BTC flip bullish, or when we see BTC going above the 50 weekly moving average. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm telling you, if I'm looking for meme coin to play with, these are my major biggest bets that I am going to play with. Now, if you take a look at the second meme coin here, we looking at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu also went mainstream back in 2021 after Dogecoin, having a proper rally of about this was when it was listed, about 9,000% from when it was listed back in 2021. And now if you take a look at the price, we are pretty down from the all-time high down to this level. We are more than 94% retracement here on the weekly time frame. Now, if you take a look at the price chart, we are currently sitting above, slightly above the 2022 bear market low, and this is absolutely a little bit solid because, like I said on Dogecoin, if you take a look at major meme coin right now, they are way below their 2022 bear market low. So as long as we sit firmly above this 2022 bear market low level on Shiba Inu price chart, we are looking a little bit of solid. And if we can hold this level right now and immediately BTC confirmed the end of this bear market and we see BTC flipping or going above the 50 weekly moving average, we can easily see a proper movement from Shiba Inu right here. And the first level of resistance that we're going to struggle at is at this level, 0.00017. And also if you can hold above this level right here, then the major level of resistance is sitting at this 0.000.33 here on the price chart, which I've drawn at this level. And if we can break above the level, hold it as a major level of support, then the only resistance I'm seeing right here, this is the level here, which is going to take us closer to the 2021 all-time high here on Shiba Inu. But if we see the price breaking below this level, then this setup is going to be invalidated and we might begin to see much more lower prices here from Shiba Inu. So this is it here on Shiba Inu price chart. Like I said, in order for you to start accumulating most of this meme token, make sure BTC is in a bull market. And the next meme token here, which also has a better big community when it comes to the entire meme coin token community, we're looking at Pepe here on the weekly time frame. Pepe was introduced into the entire crypto sector back in 2023, and we went from the level here when it was listed back to this level of all-time high here, sitting at 0.00.28, went as high as 8,000 from where it was listed. And ever since then, if you take a look at the price right now, we are down more than 80% at this level, and currently we're just sitting at a low level of its first bear market since it was introduced into the crypto market back in 2023, and we are holding firmly above this level right here, sitting at 0.0038. And if we can hold this level firmly and we see BTC breaking above the 50 weekly moving average, the next level of resistance here, which the price can struggle at, is sitting at this level right here, the 0.0053. And if we can hold this level firmly as a major level of support, then we should be looking at the next level of resistance, sitting at 0.0090 cents. Then from there we can easily tag the next level of resistance that is sitting at this level, and from there we can easily visit the all-time high here on Pepe. But if we see the price breaking below this major level here, then we should be looking at the all-time low when it was listed, and Pepe coming down to this level. I think this is going to allow the price to go into much more lower prices, which is a bear market discovery. So this is what we have on Pepe right now. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but if I want to play around a little bit with meme token, these are the top 3 tokens that I am willing to risk my capital with, as long as BTC sits above the 50 weekly moving average. I might be wrong, I might be right, and also there are better other meme coin token out there that you can also accumulate. But before you do that, make sure you do the proper research about the entire ecosystem, the team, and also what the meme token really means. So this is it here in meme coin sector. So far so good. You've known when to accumulate your favorite meme coin, and also the best top meme coin that you can accumulate in the entire meme coin sector. So this is it here in today's video. If you find this video very useful and you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. I will take a look at it and give you a reply. And also, if you want to continue to watch this kind of video on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel right here. Turn on the notification bell so that next time when I make a video just like this, you will definitely be notified. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.